Hi guys, it's SweetTooth1967 doing another product description. Today we're looking at Philips Power Alkaline 3 times more power battery. Model lr6p4b/05. These are supposed to be 3 times longer power alkaline batteries, AA's. So what I'm using these for essentially is just to change over a clock battery. Here we go, there's the clock. There's the back of the packet. Long-lasting power. We'll see. These batteries are designed for low power. It says a low constant drain, so they're good for torches, radios, remote control cars, flash batteries, remote controls, usual stuff. So today I'm just going to be changing the clock battery. Dead easy. Take that out. This is a Philips. This is a AAx4. So we're going to be on with that. Right. So I don't think there's much difference in the battery itself. That's the old Philips. This is the new one. This is the R6. This is the LR6 compared to the R6. So this is a slightly. This is a long life. And this is a power alkaline battery, so I don't really know what the difference is. This is supposed to be longer lasting. This came in a pack of 8, and for the same price. This was £1 for a pack of 4, so I assume this is a longer battery, better quality battery. So right, upwards and onwards, I'll pop that in there. That isn't the right time. So I'm going to have to adjust that now. So that's it. Just a quick look at the Philips. Long life, 3 times longer AAx4 batteries. Thanks for watching guys, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye for now.